Buying your first home in 2026 feels overwhelming, but I will show you every step. No confusing jargon, just simple guidance. From saving your down payment to getting the keys, this complete guide covers everything. No steps missing. This video is for first-time buyers. Maybe you're renting now or living with family. Either way, you can own a home in 2026. 2026 is different. Interest rates are stabilizing. More homes are coming on the market. This is your window of opportunity. I promise to make this simple and actionable. No real estate degree needed. Just follow along, step by step. Hit that subscribe button now. You don't want to miss part TWO of this series. Let's get started. Most first-time buyers lose over $10,000. They make any mistake I'll show you in 30 seconds. They skip getting pre-approved for a mortgage first. They go house hunting without a budget. Huge mistake. You find your dream home. You make an offer. Then the seller picks someone else. Why? Because you weren't PI approved. But don't worry. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get pre-approved and 5 other critical steps. 83% of first-time buyers regret their first home purchase. Don't be one of them. Watch until the end. Follow these 7 steps. You will save thousands and buy a home you truly love. Let's start with step 1. Let me tell you about Sarah. She's 32, rents an apartment, and wants to buy her first home in 2026. But she has no idea where to start. Sarah's credit score is low. She has only $5,000 saved, and she thinks home ownership is impossible. But she was wrong. Then Sarah found my step-by-step guide. She followed exactly what I'm about to teach you. Within 6 months, she bought her first home. She got a $10,000 grant. Her credit score jumped to 720, and she bought a charming 3-bedroom home. You can do this too. Now let me walk you through the exact 7 steps Sarah used. Step 1 is the most important. Pay close attention. Skipping even one step can cost you delays, higher payments, or losing your dream home. Follow every step. Buying a home takes time, usually 3 to 6 months from start to finish. Don't rush. Rushing leads to bad decisions. You don't need to be rich, but you do need a plan for your money. Step 1 is all about finances. Let's go. I know it feels overwhelming. So many terms, so many forms, but I have broken it down into simple bites. Every year you wait, you lose money to rent, instead of building equity in your home. Start now. Millions of Americans buy their first home every year. If they can, you can. Let's get you on that path. Get a notepad or open your notes app. You will want to write these steps down. Ready? Here is step 1. Step 1. Check your credit score. You need at least 620 for most loans. Get a free report at annualcreditreport.com. If your score is low, dispute any errors. Pay down credit card balances. And always pay bills on time. Every month matters. Building credit takes 3 to 6 months. Start now so you are ready when you find your home. Don't wait. Keep your credit card USE under 30%. That means if your limit is $10,000 or less than $3,000. This boosts your score. Step TWO. Save your down payment. You do not need 20%. FHA loans need just 3.5% down. Many states offer down payment grants. That's free money you never pay back. Up to $10,000 or even $15,000. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account. Even $50 each week adds up. $2,600 per year. Good news. Your down payment can be a gift. Parents or grandparents can give you the money. Most loans allow this. Step 3. Get PI approved for a mortgage. This is not the same as pre-qualified. Pre-approval means a lender verified your finances. Sellers will not take you seriously without pre-approval. In a competitive market, you will lose. Get pre-approved first. Gather your last TWO years of tax returns, your last TWO pay stubs, and 2 months of bank statements. Then call 3 lenders. Shop with at least 3 different lenders. Rates can vary by 0% or more. That could save you $50,000 over the loan. Step 4. Find a great realtor. A buyer's agent costs you nothing. The seller pays their commission. So use a PRO. Interview at least 3 agents. Ask about their experience with first-time buyers. Check their online reviews. Pick someone you trust. A good realtor will negotiate for you. They will find homes you can't see online, and they will protect your interests. Use them. Avoid agents who push you to spend more. Avoid those who don't answer questions. Trust your GUT. You need an advocate, not a salesperson. Step 5. Start house hunting. This is the fun part, but stay focused. Make a list of must-haves versus nice-to-haves. Write down your needs, number of bedrooms, location, school district. Then wants: pool, garage, fireplace. Stick to your budget. Attend open houses, even if you don't love the photos. Pictures can be deceiving. Walk through at least 10 homes before deciding. Don't fall in love with the first house you see. Stay objective. There will always be another home. Keep emotions in check. Research the neighborhood. Visit at different times of day. Check crime rates, schools, and commute times. You buy the location too. Step 6. Make an offer. Your realtor will help you decide a fair price. Look at recent sales of similar homes nearby. Be competitive but smart. Don't be afraid to negotiate. You can ask for closing cost help or repairs. The worst they can say is no. Always counter offer. You will need earnest money. That is 1 to 3% of the purchase price. It shows the seller you are serious. It goes toward your down payment. Always include contingencies in your offer. Home inspection, financing, and appraisal. These let you walk away if something is wrong. Protect yourself. When your offer is accepted, celebrate. But the work is not over. Now comes the inspection and appraisal. Let's go to step 7. Step 7. Close a deal. This is the final step. You will sign a lot of papers. Then the keys are yours. Hire a professional home inspector. They check everything: roof, foundation, electrical, plumbing. If they find big issues, you can back out or negotiate repairs. The lender orders an appraisal. An appraiser determines a home's true market value. If it appraises low, you can renegotiate or walk away. Once inspection and appraisal are clear, the lender gives final approval. This is called clear to close. You are almost a homeowner. Closing costs are TWO to 5% of the loan amount. They include loan fees, title insurance, and escrow. Ask the seller to help pay them. Do a final walk through the day before closing. Make sure the home is empty and clean. Check that all repairs were done. No surprises. On closing day, you sign about 50 to 100 pages. Don't worry, your realtor and title agent guide you. Then you get the keys. Congratulations. You are now a homeowner. You did it. The keys are in your hand. That feeling? Unbeatable. Your first month. Change the locks. Set up utilities. And introduce yourself to neighbors. Make it your home. Create a home maintenance schedule. Change air filters. Check for leaks. Clean gutters. A little prevention saves thousands. Be a proud homeowner. Mistake 1. Not checking credit early. Fixing errors takes months. Check your credit 6 months before buying. Don't wait. Mistake 2. Changing jobs during the loan process. Lenders want stable income. Wait until after closing to switch careers. Stay employed. Mistake 3. Buying a car or furniture before closing. This changes your debt-to-income ratio. It can kill your loan. Wait until you have keys. FHA loans need just 3.5% down. Credit scores as low as 580 qualify. Perfect for first-time buyers. Ask your lender about FHA. USDA loans have zero down payment for homes in rural and suburban areas. Many first-time buyers qualify. Check the USDA map today. VA loan for veterans and active military. Zero down, no mortgage insurance. If you served, use this benefit. It's well-deserved. Many states offer first-time buyer grants. Up to $15,000. You never pay it back. Search down payment assistance. Your state. PMI is private mortgage insurance. You pay it if your down payment is under 20%. It protects a lender, not you. It drops off at 20% equity. Don't stress about today's interest rates. You can refinance in 2 years if rates drop. Focus on getting into the home first. Rates can change later. Every mortgage payment builds equity. That's wealth you own, not rent you lose. Over time, homes appreciate in value. That's the American dream. Home ownership gives tax breaks. You can deduct mortgage interest and property taxes. Talk to a tax professional. Keep every receipt. Recap: 1. Check credit. 2. Save down payment. 3. Get pre-approved. 4. Hire a realtor. 5. House hunt. 6. Make an offer. 7. Close. You can do this. You now have a complete roadmap. No more confusion. No more fear. You are ready to buy your first home in 2026. Your first action: check your credit score today. Go to annualcreditreport.com. It's free. Do it right now. Free resources: annualcreditreport.com for credit, downpaymentresource.com for grants. Use them. They work. Don't get stuck in analysis paralysis. You don't need to know everything. Just take the next step, then the next. You are not alone. Millions of first-time buyers succeed every year. Join online communities. Ask questions. Help is everywhere. You will make mistakes. That's okay. Every homeowner has a story. Learn as you go. Don't let fear stop you. Why wait? Every month you rent, you lose equity. 2026 is your year. Start today. Future you will thank you. Imagine your own home. Paint any wall ANY color. No landlord telling you NO. That freedom is worth everything. Home ownership builds a legacy for your family. A place for holidays, birthdays, and memories. That's what makes it all worth it. Your mortgage payment stays fixed. Rent always goes up. In 10 years, you'll be so glad you bought. That's financial freedom. Your 30-day action plan. Week 1, check credit. Week 2, research grants. Week 3, talk to lenders. Week 4, get pre-approved. Start now. You have everything you need. The knowledge, the steps, the resources. Now take action. You've got this. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more real estate guides. I release new videos every week. Comment below with your biggest question. I read every comment. I will answer you personally. Let's build this community. Share this video with a friend who wants to buy a home. Help them avoid costly mistakes. Together, we all win. Up next, how to get the best mortgage rate in 2026. Click the video on your screen now. Don't miss it. Thank you for watching. I believe in you. Go buy that home. See you in the next video. Remember, your dream home is waiting. Take the first step today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.